top-notch, dear lads. My name is Lowell, and welcome to this new series that's going to be weekly on my channel called Tuesday Tall Tales, which is basically me telling you guys some of my untold stories so that you guys can actually get to know me better. And so yeah, this first episode is going to be in Forza Horizon 3, and guys, we are going to be driving, yep, the legendary Enzo Ferrari, or the 2002 Ferrari Enzo. This car was named after its owner, of which its owner, well, at least the owner of the company, died on July 18th, 1988 at 90 years of age, and his company is still going strong. And I, guys, have not driven this thing yet, so without further ado, before we get going, let's see how she sounds. Oh, no, that's the Enzo, guys. Let's go. Okay, I now have traction and stability. Well, actually, I have all the assists off because it was so annoying. But now I am driving this thing and I'm not driving just like I normally would in Horizon. And just so you guys, as soon as we get down to this other section, section of the highway, I guys am gonna turn this TV volume up to up to exactly 50%, so that y'all can hear this amazing 6-liter naturally aspirated V12. So 3, 2, 1. Guys, not a beautiful sound. And here's what she sounds like in first person. Anyway, I guys am going to now just shut up and just get straight to my first story. So this first story is it's not really a story, it's more like of an idea that I have that I'm thinking of actually doing. And you guys are probably going to be like, wait, why the fuck would you do this? Well, I guys am going to explain my idea and exactly of how it's all going to happen. So earlier today, when I was working at this plastics factory earlier today, one of my bosses there, he told me about an urban legend of this kid who hopped onto a train, and he literally rode that train all the way to Michigan. It was, I believe, on CSX or something like that. And so he basically rode that train all the way up to Michigan. So because of that, I guys am actually thinking of doing that myself. Mom, I'm recording here.
I'm sorry, I need some help.
Not now, Mom. Mom, I'm recording. Please. Now that, guys, is why I can't do a video with my parents always interrupting. So anyway, my most humblest apologies about that, guys. So anyway, I guys am thinking of doing this myself, although I may need some strategies to do this. Except that before I can actually do so, I basically need to pack my tablet, of which is what I'm recording on right now, and I'm gonna take the charger for it too, and stuff it in my school book bag, and then I'll take my phone and my phone charger, and then I'll basically just take a cooler, stuff it with some like Mountain Dew, Sprite, Coca-Cola, etc., etc., and then I'll just fill my book back up with food, snacks, and all that, as well as some like clean like socks and underwear and all that, so that I can keep warm and clean, as well as a jacket to keep me warm and a blanket in case I need to do some overnight like challenges, like how Mo Sargi does. Which, if you guys don't know Mo Sargi, then definitely go check him out for yourself. But anyway, so I guys am basically thinking of just hopping onto a freight train, and then basically just get inside one of those cars called gondolas, which are basically cars that hold stuff inside them. I'll basically just find a freight train with a gondola, and then I'll basically just latch onto the train via the ladder, and then I'll basically just climb inside, and I'll just settle in, and then after that, and I'll also be taking my earbuds so that I can listen to music while I'm on the ride. And so yeah, I guys imagine, as a matter of fact, guys, if I actually do that, then guys, how can I possibly leave you guys out on this? I guys will be recording this. If I do get to do something like this, then I promise I will record it for you guys, because I do know how much you guys would love to just see something different on my channel for once, apart from gaming and vlogging and shit like that. But guys, this is a great idea, and I actually talked to my mom about it, and she absolutely hates it. But if you guys don't think it's a bad idea, then please let me know in the comment section, because I guys would love to do something like this. Even though it's dangerous and that would be rebellious, you know what? I don't care. So what I basically do during that is what most Archie always says: live a little. And I guys will be doing just that while I'm riding that train all the way to Michigan. Except that I may or may not like hop onto another train and ride it even further from Michigan, maybe to like Wisconsin or like Nevada or somewhere like that, or maybe even up to Canada. That would be awesome. If I got to ride on a freight train in a gondola car all the way to Michigan, that would be legit. That would be awesome. If I could actually do something like that. Even though my mom says it's against the law, but who cares? It's something that you would never normally do, but that you would do to, it's basically you going on your own adventure. Well, for me, it would be my very own adventure, and I guys would love to do something like that. And so yeah, although I guys of course would be calling my parents to let them know that I'm safe from time to time, just to keep them from worrying so much, because as I probably told you guys before, my parents worry too much. They are overprotective, they worry about me too much, they are always needing help. To be honest guys, my parents could use a break from me for once, but anyway, that's not the whole point. The whole point of that, guys, is just me living a little and doing something different. Although I guys am actually not going to have enough time to actually talk to you guys about another story, because this, guys, is only the first episode of Tuesday Tall Tales. So anyway, and so yeah, while I'm doing that, I guys will be recording my train ride all the way to Michigan on my tablet here, and like I basically want to make you guys feel like that you're on that adventure with me. And like whenever I do something like that, well, at least whenever I'll start doing something like that, I want to make you guys feel like that basically you're on that adventure with me.
You have arrived at your destination.
And like, I don't want to leave you guys out, because I guys would just leave to leave you guys out all alone. So I guys will basically make y'all feel like you're on that adventure with me. And so yeah, that guys has been the very first story of this series. And so yeah, I guys will be doing that in the future. And oh my god, God knows. Oh man, God knows when I'll be doing that. But if you guys think that that sounds like a boss of an idea, then please let me know in the comment section down below. And also guys, as most Sergeant would say, basically just take a car like this, hit it in, and then just floor it, and then just mow down that like button if y'all think that is a awesome idea. Basically just take the most expensive or even the fastest car you have, whether it's in real life or a video game, and then basically just ram that like button if you think that is an awesome idea. So anyway, this guys is going to wrap it up for this very first episode of Tuesday Tall Tales, and this guys is me and the Enzo Ferrari signing out on this first episode of Tuesday Tall Tales. Oh, and guys, of course. And guys, this thing has something to say before we go. And this, guys, is what the Enzo has to say. Of course, in first person as well. So yeah, guys, this guys is going to. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video,
this challenge to complete nearby,
then do not forget to, as always, punch that like button in the face, and let me know in the comment section down below of what y'all thought of this. And as of right now, leave your suggestions in the comment section down below of what other games y'all want me to do this series on. And if you're new to my channel, definitely do not forget to subscribe for more so that y'all don't miss another video from me. And videos just like this one, I will see y'all in the next one. Talk to y'all later. Now, but y'all see y'all. And safe travels, Lance Riders. And as most of you would say, live a little. Talk to you guys later.